I open from the cutoff and the loose player calls from the small blind. I went ahead and solved using these ranges. Against such a loose range, we're c-betting a lot and our combo does too, although not pure. Our combo is still mostly betting on this turn for a 75% sizing, which we do. So you see me folding quickly here to the raise. This might seem weak. We have top pair decent kicker and we fold to a small raise. We did, however, show decent strength with 2 barrels already. And he's just saying he has us beat with a hand we have very little to no equity against. And then he should have some bluffs, of course. So let's take a look. I gave him 2 sizes, including the small size he took and an all-in. You see the solver mostly go over the all-in sizing and never really going with the sizing our villain took. Still, we can look at our strategy against a small sizing and we see that we're actually mostly folding. I did make a turn solve where the solver has his sizing as its only option. And against that, Queen-Jack combos are still very marginal and in different calls here on the turn. We are really at the bottom of our value betting range, so we can allow some folds there for sure. And again, our equity against his value range is terrible.